Namaste everyone. Today we're going to see a plugin called SVG Insert, and this plugin helps us to insert SVG code directly into a sketch document. So we're going to see it in an example, and what we're going to do is we'll be using a map in our design, a choropleth map like this in our design. And whenever I have to use any such choropleth map, I generally ask one of my developer friends to generate a choropleth map by using real data. And after they have sent me the URL of the work that they have done, I simply go to the map and hit right click and hit on inspect element. I then go to the SVG element from here, right click, edit as HTML. I copy this and I fire up one of my text editor, and then I paste it here, and then I save this file as SVG. Let's say map.svg, and then I go on to the file that I've just created, copy it, go to my sketch file and paste it here, and it brings up the SVG file in here. And as you can see, all of these layers are editable. So what SVG Insert helps us to do is it helps us to reduce this one step from the workflow that I just shared, and we can, instead of saving it into a separate file, let's copy this SVG code again. We can simply paste the code in here, and for that we need the plugin called SVG Insert. You can install this plugin with Runner. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. And after you have installed, you can fire up your Runner and run this command SVG Insert. Hit enter and it will open up this dialog box. Here you can paste the SVG code that you've just copied, hit OK, and it will bring up the SVG file for you. And this also works for any other SVG elements, like for example the graph that you see here. Let's say we need this graph, hit inspect element, go to its SVG code, the same process, hit it as HTML, copy this, come back to your sketch file and run the command SVG Insert again, hit paste, and it will bring up the SVG element for you that you've just copied. And you might have to clean it a bit because the SVG file might not render the same as you see it in the browser, but it's a start, and you can go ahead and edit these graphs the way you want. So that's about it. I hope you'll find this plugin useful, and hopefully it will speed up your workflow especially when you are dealing with elements like this map or a graph. I'll drop the link of the plugin below in the description, and until next time, take care guys.